better be good, Honk. It's using up my vacation time. There's no blood on the rock. Well, Honk, they cleaned up the blood. What do you think? The legs and arms, though. Honk, he jumped off the ledge and he face planted on the dirt. It's a suicide. But the dirt patterns don't match up with where his legs and arms are. Oh, let's just clean this up. There is no evidence against him, okay? The department is not getting involved in this case. Wait, look at this report. Yeah, he has a beach house, whatever. Doesn't mean anything.
We're going to the beach.
No, you're not, Honk. No, you are not, okay? Stay out of my vacation. Look at this.
A report.
Yeah, well,
Only a police officer would carry this.
could be anyone, Tom. They could be impersonating a police officer.
Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know, it's some sort of device.
Now let me check that out at the DA.
Wait. I think I should keep this for myself. Must connect to something. I think we gotta go back to his house.
Better be done soon, Honk. I'll check the garage for evidence, you check the barn. Where'd it go?
Rocks around here. Oh, over there.
Yo, Honk! I found something!
Look at the suicide note. This suicide note doesn't look right, though. Who would call themselves dead person anyway? Wait. Look at these tires. They've been used lately. I'm guessing during the murder. You can see right there the patterns of the wheels. Keeps going on down here. Patches there. There's someone over there. This is where it happened. Murder. That's where it happened, right there. The ATV stopped.
Honk, he was killed by the barn. That's where he was murdered.
I think we should just stick here. No, I'm not sure if it was the victim that was on the ATV or the murderer.
Doesn't
Now.
prove anything.
This is where the body fell. And that means right there. That's where it happened. Wait a second.
What?
You said murder.
Yeah, because
We thought it was a suicide the whole time until now.
well, because you were talking about murder the whole time, so I just said murder. It's murder, okay?
6 o'clock last night. The victim was driving around his lawn carelessly without even thinking about what was going to happen to him. But at that same time, you and I were at the police station. The only thing is, I knew you had a trick up your sleeve, man.
Yeah, it was the perfect alibi. You saw me at the police station, and there were a bunch of other cops witnessing it.
Here's how it all happened. The day of the murder, you were building up a contraption so that when he rode across the device, or in other words, the motion detector, the rock would automatically fall on the victim's head and kill him. But that plan was obviously flawed. I'm sure that only gave him a coma. Then you went off to the police station to form your perfect alibi. I'm sure as we were talking about the previous case, you slipped out the green motion detector, connected both devices. Finally, after the victim fell, you placed his body by the barn to draw this case down there.
How do you explain the beach house then?
I was just getting to that. The reason why you went to the beach house, his beach house, was because you wanted to make sure that the motion detector was in his house so that no one would draw back that evidence towards you. When we got back to the victim's house, you, alone, started searching for the pink motion detector that you'd lost, and you assumed you'd left it in the garage when you put the ATV back. Then, you wrote down a suicide note to try to make you think it still happened at the barn. The victim was probably the original captain, but you thought, since you looked the exact same, you could be him and get rid of files against you. If we find that pink motion detector, and we take it to a toxicology report, we'll find that it has your fingerprints on it.
Yeah? I don't see a remote anywhere.
Here it is. You two look a lot alike.
That's my cousin.
Should have known that.
Let's get out of here.